You hear that? That's the sound of a happy kitty. Or is it? Turns out cats don't just purr when they're happy, they also purr when they're nervous, in pain, or even trying to heal themselves. Scientists think purring happens at a frequency that can help bones and tissues heal. It's like a built-in superpower. But yeah, most of the time if your cat is purring while snuggling you, they're just saying, "Hey, I love you," and also, "Feed me." Classic cat move. So, next time your cat purrs, enjoy the moment. You might just be getting some of their healing magic too.